Namaste, Prema from LG Electronics. Today we are making for the tandoori charcoal in microwave. So we are making for the tandoori gobi. For the ingredients, so as per the manual book, so here we given for the charcoal recipe. Manual it will be given all the ingredients. Just we'll mix up on this one. So for this one, we can add for the gobi. Already I cut and washed the gobis here. So for marination masala also we mix up here. This is a curd, ginger garlic paste, red chili powder. So here we are making for without using the oil we are making on this one. Just we can use it and rub it on this. So this is we can rub and we can keep for the marination for 1 hour. Our tandoori gobi here. So just we put it on this one. Now I can use it for the high grill rack with the multi-cook. So we can keep inside in the microwave. So here we can go for the charcoal menu. So charcoal we can select for the number 4 and I kept a quantity of 400 grams. Then start. It takes for 18 minutes 30 seconds. In between once it will become to the beef. Once the beef will become, we'll take it out. We can put for the little bit oil on that one. Stir it and keep it back again. So just we can add 1 spoon of oil top of this. Just we'll mix it. Okay. And start. So the time will be continuation on that program. Last 10 seconds will be there. So now your tandoori gobi is ready.